Modified and assembled by well-known street rod guru Paul Shepard, this slick 42 Ford Vicky is a world-class custom that'll fulfill your needs faster and cheaper than any car you've spent your years idolizing. This impressive Speedstar, completely reworked around a traditional 32 Vicky grille by Paul Shepard, is the kind of car that would turn heads in black primer. And what better way to turn heads than covering it with some of the brightest DuPont paint available? A slick combination of Honda Milano Red and Mercedes Silver was chosen for the job, and finishing touches included green and pink pinstripes that flank a yellow and orange divider stripe. Open the suicide doors and you'll find a tasteful custom interior that was installed by Paul Atkins. Modern leather buckets are supportive and appear to tilt the passengers, no doubt accounting for the car's slim roofline. A body-matched dash centers odometer gauges, while a body-length console anchors a small low-car shifter on quality silver carpet, and a color-keyed billet wheel laps a painted tilting column. Powering this slick hot rod is a fully detailed 468 cubic inch big block. High compression and forged internals allow this monster to create approximately 550 horsepower. A TH353 speed sends that power to a quick change rear end. Fully sorted and ready to turn your dreams into reality, this awesome Vicky carries exactly the kind of cool swagger every car builder dreams about. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.